I quit. In January of 2024, I quit my full-time career where I was working 15 hours a day. I'm going to show you in this video how I use YouTube Shorts to go ahead and quit my not even 9 to 5, my 12 to 12 job. And I know that many of you guys who are like me, who are tired of the stress, tired of the coworkers, tired of people messing with you, tired of going into work, tired of having to pick up the kids, and you guys tired of living check to check. So I am going to show you the one way that I started a faceless channel, and this was the easiest way possible. This way, you don't need to have a college education, you don't need to have any technical experience, and you don't need to know how to do a lot on YouTube. You can start this with the YouTube channels that you are on today. You don't need a lot. The only thing that you need to do is go ahead, get my program, and start this business for yourself, okay? And like I said before, you guys, this is the year that we are going to free ourselves. This is the year that we are going to go ahead and we are going to tell all bosses and all people that are giving us stress to go exactly where they need to go, okay? I'm going to show you how to use those same faceless YouTube shorts to start your faceless channel and to retire. Let's get into the video right now because I want you free by next month. I want you guys to be able to live your life by next month. So let's go, okay? Before we get into the video, you guys know I love to do my inspiration of the day because the inspiration of the day is you inspiring yourself, you putting it out into the universe and the universe answering back. So the inspiration of the day is God will never fail me. God will never fail me. I am going to take my leap of faith and I am going to start this so that I can be free. That's what I want you guys to put in the comment section. I also want you guys to like and subscribe because I want to give you more information. I really want you guys to start this and I really want you guys to pray on this, okay? So that you can do this, all right? And I want to tell you guys about my program because you guys, my program has helped so many others. It has helped so many retire. I have retired people that are 40, 50, 60 years old. We also have a 70-year-old in there, you guys. And you guys, we have truck drivers, we have nurses, we have people who never thought that they would be big on YouTube. You guys, they are doing their biggest one. And the first person I want to shout out, you guys, is Sinclair. Sinclair is literally in my Rich Girls and Guys program, you guys. Sinclair, I'm gonna read you exactly what Sinclair said. Sinclair said, Coach Sam, I thank you very much. When I first got onto your live, I saw your live and sis, I believed in you. I am so glad that I took my leap of faith. I'm glad that I took the chance to start this channel, and I'm grateful for you being the coach that you are. You have never let us down. You told us you was going to help us start our channels, and you guys, y'all, this is the part that got me. She said, Coach Sam, I am now able to not only retire me, retire my husband, and take care of my mom simply by using those faceless channels that you told me. Coach Sam, I am forever indebted to you, and I thank you. Let me tell you something, Sinclair. Sinclair, I am indebted to you. I want to let everybody on this channel know, everybody that's watching this video know, I am here for you because I truly believe that we are not getting paid our worth. I truly believe that we can do better. I truly 100% believe and know that this is easy and you just have to believe in yourself. That is what happened to me when I first started in January 2024. I picked it up and I believed in myself, and God took it the rest of the way. So you guys, I'm going to leave the link to my program below, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to use those faceless reels, those faceless YouTube shorts. You can either use them as Instagram reels or YouTube shorts, but this is going to be the base of your faceless channel. And you guys, these are viral reels. These are the reels that make your channels go viral, because these are the reels that Instagram, YouTube, and everybody, TikTok, everybody watches these type of reels, and this is what gets attention to your channel. So please take this, learn from this, and start that channel. Like I said, I show you everything in the course, step by step, how to do this, step by step, how to create your faceless channel, how to create your digital product, and you guys, how to post and sell right there on the channel. Not only are you going to get everything that you see here, but on Sundays we do weekly mentorship meetings. So make sure you're in my mentorship class, okay? So let's get to it and let's go, you guys. So like I said before, you guys, this is going to be included in your course, okay, in the program. And there are over 3,000 pieces of content. So 3,000 pieces of this viral content, okay? 3,000 pieces of content. You have over 7,000 digital products, your journals, your ebooks, your planners. Everything is included within that program, you guys. And also included in the program is the weekly mentorship meetings. That means if you have any questions about how to put this together, I do a full training and mentorship meeting every single Sunday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So rain or shine, I am doing the mentorship meetings. And I hope you guys do join, because we have a community that doubles up as a grow group, you guys. The grow group is actually, you guys, going to get you monetized quickly and as easy as possible. I put this together for all of my 9-to-5 workers, for all of my retirees that need money fast. This is going to be the fastest and the quickest way for you to get paid, okay? And get paid lots, all right? So let's go right here, you guys. This is, like I said, this is included in the course. So what we're going to do, you guys, we're going to go to Melanin 1, okay? We're going to go to Melanin 1. We're going to view template. Let's open this up, you guys. And you guys, this is the faceless content, okay? This is your faceless content. And as you guys can see, this is the content that goes viral on social media every single day. We're going to use this as a YouTube short, because you guys, nobody pays like YouTube, okay? YouTube can pay for your entire life. So what you guys are going to do is pick the reel. And oh my God, this looks amazing. This looks absolutely amazing. This makes it look like you are on vacation, you guys. And it's those type of reels that are very aesthetically pleasing. So I have these reels on my channel as well. But you guys, everyone's reels is going to be 100% different. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to ChatGPT. When you go to ChatGPT, this is how we're going to make this content. When you go to ChatGPT, what you're going to do, what you're going to write is, give me 50 inspiring and motivational quotes, and then let's let ChatGPT do their job, okay? So as we're here, you could change your life the moment you decide not to quit. You are not too late. You're right on time for your journey. You guys, you can use these on your motivational channel. And that is what I have. That's one of the channels. I actually have 5 channels on TikTok and 5 channels on YouTube. And you guys, I'm going to put the channels right here so you guys know. My first channel is a budgeting channel. My second channel is a debt channel. My third channel is a resume channel. My fourth channel is a motivational channel. And my fifth channel, you guys, is a biblical channel. Those channels brought me over $564,000 in 1 month. Please start your channels today. Please start your channels so that you can live your life. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this right off of ChatGPT. We are going to go ahead. We're going to go copy this and we are going to download this. So what we're going to do is we are going to take that quote. We are going to download this. So all we have to do is go here. We're going to go to download. So what I want you guys to do is I don't want you guys to download all 402 pages of this. I just want you to download the page that we are on, okay? So we're going to go here to download page, which is here. We're going to go to done, and we are going to go to download. That allows you to download this as a video. Once you have this downloaded as a video, that same text that you have off of Canva, you are going to go to either TikTok or YouTube. You're going to go to the text button and you're going to put that text on top of this, okay? On top of this or any of the YouTube shorts or the Instagram reels, you're going to put that on top of there. And that is how you're going to create your first video for your Faceless channel. And I am going to tell you, if you're a beginner, you're going to start you a motivational channel and you are going to make that motivational channel pop, okay? Because I started a motivational channel just a couple of months ago, you guys, and that motivational channel went absolutely crazy. So it is time for you to start your own motivational channel. So you guys, that is how simple, how easy it is. And like I said, anybody can start a channel. Anybody can retire just by posting Faceless reels, y'all. Just by posting the reels. And like I said, I want to teach you really how to do this, how to deep dive into this. Like I said, my program is going to be below. And you guys, I just want you to get in there, come learn, come do this, and Coach Sam loves y'all, okay? I want you guys to be free, and I want you guys to start. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!